Namaste. I am Sumi Sebastian, Senior Scientific Officer Polymer, Central Coir Research Institute, Coir Board, Alleppey. Here I am presenting application of coir geotextiles for reinforcement of rural roads. As you all know, coir is a lignocellulosic fiber and it is the strongest among any other natural fibers. Coir fiber is the natural wrapping material along with coir pith for the proper packing of coconut nut. Thousands of cellulose microfibrils are reinforced with hydrophobic lignin plastic to prepare this natural composite material, and it acts as a packing material with very good properties of around extensibility of around 30%. The picture shows the chemical properties of coir fiber. As you all know, coir containing a large quantity of lignin, that is around 45.84%, and cellulose of around 43.44%. The coir's lignin content is comparatively high to any other natural fibers and it is around 45.84%, whereas for a teakwood material it is around 39% only. That means that our coir material is more durable and strong than the teakwood material. The picture shows the physical properties of coir fiber. It is having a length of around 150 to 200 mm and it is a very fine material and having high tensile strength with high elongation at break. Coir fibers are being extracted by mechanical extraction process. Then the extracted fibers are spun into yarns. These yarns are converted into woven or woven coir geotextiles. The fibers can be converted into non-woven coir geotextiles also. Coir geotextile, coming to the point, coir geotextile, and it is the naturally occurring material and it is a 100% organic and renewable geotextile. That is the major beauty of our coir geotextile. It is obtained from coconut husk and it is hard and strong. It is naturally resistant to rot, mold and moisture. The major another beauty is that it does not require any chemical pre-treatments for converting it into a yarn or any other kind of material. It is a 100% organic material. Now I am coming to the coir geotextile netting material. It is the simplest form of coir geotextiles. Its weaving into warp threads are interlaced alternatively over and under the weft thread. And it's the geotextile materials are available in the width of 1 to 5 meter and the roll material can be obtained in up to 50 meter length rolls. The mesh size varying from 0.5 to 0.4 mm to 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter and it is available in varying densities from 400 GSM to 1.4 kilogram per meter square. These all are the common varieties now available as coir geotextile materials: 700, 740, 400 and 900 GSM for the woven category, and non-woven coir geotextiles are also available in varying densities from 0.4 to 1.4 kilograms per meter square. As by the active involvement of Coir Board and other technical agencies involved in the field, 5 BIS specifications have evolved for use of coir geotextiles for woven and non-woven. One first 3 specifications are for the quality requirements and 4 and 5 are for the guidelines for use in unpaved roads and railway embankment protection. This slide shows the characteristics requirements for each variety, that means 400, 700 and 900 woven coir geotextiles, the quality requirements for each grade. It should have a particular requirement of tensile strength and breaking load, that all are this has been taken from the standard IS 15869 2020, the latest revision has came in 2020 also for these geotextiles.